Hi.
Hello friends, welcome to my Lonar Crater blog part 2nd. Friends, Lonar Crater is situated in district Buldana, state Maharashtra and country India, which is 550 km far from Mumbai. In the start of June 2020, Lonar Crater water suddenly turned into pink, which was a mystery for all the scientists in the world. The Lonar Crater water test is too salty, which is having 10.5 pH value. The Lonar Crater nominated as National Geographic World Heritage Monument. Friends, in Lonar there are 14 ancient temples present, which was built in 13th century. Friends, the place where we are walking known as Gaumukh temple. Gaumukh temple is situated in Lonar Crater Gate, which is 3 km far from Lonar Crater. In Gaumukh temple, one continuous running water tap is there called dhar. Dhar is Marathi word used for continuous running water. So the temple also called as Dhar temple, the flowing stream of water called as Dhar Kund. Geologists, ecologists, archaeologists, naturalists and astronomers have published studies on various aspects of the ecosystem of this crater lake. Although the crater's age was previously estimated to be 52,000 years. In 2019 study conducted by IIT Bombay found that the mineral in the lake soil are very similar to the mineral found in moon rocks brought back during the Apollo program. The lake was declared a protected Ramsar site in November 2020. The lake was first mentioned in ancient scriptures such as the Skanda Puran and the Padma Puran. Buldana district in Maharashtra, where the lake is located, was one part of Maurya Empire and then part of Satavahana Empire. The Chalukyas and Rashtrakutas also ruled this area. During the period of the Mughals, Yadavas and Nizam and the British trade prospered in this area. Several temples found in the periphery of the lake are known as Yadava temples and also as Hemadpanthi temples, named after Hemadri Ramgaya. In 2022, the government of Maharashtra began plans to develop this site as a tourist attraction. Friends, from NASA to all the agencies of the world have done research on this. It has been revealed in the research that this lake was formed due to the collision of the meteoroid body with the earth. In the 70s, scientists believed that this lake must have been formed due to the mouth of the volcano. This turned out to be wrong because if the lake had been formed by the volcano, it would not have been 150 meters deep. Research revealed that this lake was formed due to the rapid collision of the meteoroid body with the earth. Before 2010, it was believed that this lake is 1000 years old, but in recent research, it was found that it is about 5,70,000 years old. India's Lonar Crater began causing confusion soon after it was identified in 1823 by a British officer named C.J.E. Alexander. Lonar Crater sites inside the Deccan Plateau, a massive plain of volcanic blast rock left over from the eruptions some 65 million years ago. The color of Lonar lake water in the Maharashtra Buldana district turned pink due to the large presence of the salt-loving Haloarchaea microbes. A probe carried out by the Pune-based institute. When was Lonar Lake formed? Located in a small town of Buldana district of Maharashtra, Lonar Lake was formed around 52 years ago when a meteoroid weighing 2 million tons hit the ground. It was said to be traveling at an estimated speed of 90,000 km per hour to leave such an impact. Lonar Lake Mystery. A lake with both saline and alkaline content. According to the science, it is practically impossible for a lake to be both alkaline and saline at the same time. The fact that this lake has both alkaline and saline containing microorganisms add to its mystic. The depth of the Lonar Lake is around 170 meters. Lonar Lake has a mean diameter of 1.2 kilometers. Friends, scientists has logged 3 such deep scars that are believed to be the remains of meteoroid crater. Among them, Lonar Crater Lake is the most famous, one of being the world's largest basaltic impact crater, while the other two, that is Dhala and Ramgarh, are the relatively unknown. Friends, we will see some interesting facts about this Lonar crater. The lake is located in the world's only high-velocity impact form in basaltic rock. As per scientists, the crater was formed after a comet or an asteroid hit the area at a speed of 19,000 km per hour. Lonar Crater Lake is the best preserved and youngest crater formed in the basalt rock. Two methods has been used to determine the age of the lake. While thermoluminescence analysis reveals that the age of the lake should be 52,000 years old with a spread of 60,000 years correction on either side, whereas the argon dating system revealed that the crater was formed around 5,70,000 years ago with a spread of 47,000 years correction on either side. The mention of Lonar Lake is also found in Rigveda and Skanda Puran. It is also mentioned in Padma Puran and Ain-e-Igbari. It is said that Akbar used to drink the water of the lake by putting it in the soup. However, it was recognized in 1823 when the British officer J. Alexander arrived here. There is also a legend about the lake that there was a demon named Lonasur who was killed by the Lord Vishnu himself. His blood had got on the big toe of the Lord's feet, to remove which the Lord rubbed his thumb inside the soil and a deep pit was formed here. Friends, from the American Space Agency, NASA to all the agencies of the world have done research on this lake. NASA believes that this lake made up of basaltic rock is exactly the same as found on the surface of Mars. The chemical properties of this water are also similar to the chemical properties of the lakes there. The upper diameter of the lake is about 7 km. This lake is about 150 meters deep. It is believed that the meteoroid that hit the earth must have been 1 million tons. It hit the earth at the speed of 22 km per second. When it hit the earth, the temperature was 1800 degrees, due to which the meteoroid would have melted. Due to its collision, a dust balloon was formed in an area of 10 km. Friends, two more lakes were formed due to the meteoroid collision near Lonar Lake. However, both have now disappeared. This lake also dried up in 2006. Instead of water, the villagers saw small shining pieces of salt and other minerals in the lake. It was filled again after the rains. In the Lonar Lake, there is a well. Well water half sweet, half salty. There is a well near this lake, half of which is salty and the other half is sweet. Such a unique mystery of nature is rarely found anywhere in the world, where the water coming out of the same source is half sweet and half salty. Due to the speciality of having sweet and salty water in the well, the surrounding people also called it is Sas Bahu Ka Kuan. Lonar Lake is a subject of research not only for India but for the other countries as well. Such type of stones has been obtained from this lake which are similar to the stones found on the moon. Remains of natural gas have also been found from this place. This place needs to be given adequate protection by the government. Friends, there are also remains of the many ancient temples near Lonar Lake. The daityasudan temples is also included in this. It is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, Durga, Surya and Narsimha, whose design is similar to the temple of Khajuraho. Friends, Lonar Lake or Lonar Crater is a mysterious place for the scientists and the people around it. Friends, if you like the vlog, please like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel. Thank you.